In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view project in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in and open the project you need without getting lost in the interface. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Asana's login page. This is the gateway to your workspace, so make sure you're on the official Asana site before you proceed. If you're already signed in, Asana may take you straight to your home screen. If not, you'll see sign-in options. Choose Continue with Google. This uses your Google account to securely authenticate, which is quick and convenient, especially if your team already uses Google Workspace. If your organization requires it, you might see a prompt to grant access or confirm your identity. Just follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Next, select the correct Google account. If you have multiple profiles, pick the one tied to your Asana work. This helps ensure you land in the right workspace with the right permissions. Complete any standard prompts such as verification, and Asana will load your home view. Once you're in, look for the Projects section in the Asana interface. You'll typically find this in the left sidebar or navigation panel. Projects is where Asana groups related tasks, conversations, and timelines, so it's the quickest route to the work you want to see. If your organization has several teams, ensure you're looking at the appropriate team area, which helps narrow the list to the most relevant projects. From the Projects list, click the project you want to view. This opens the project's main workspace. Here, you'll see tasks organized based on your team's preferred layout, such as list or board. Even without changing anything, you can scan task names, due dates, assignees, and sections to understand status at a glance. If you have access, you can expand tasks to read descriptions, check subtasks, and review comments for context. You might also notice options like filtering or sorting. Use these to quickly surface tasks by assignee, due date, or completion status without altering the project structure. And if you're just exploring, rest assured that simply opening and viewing a project won't modify anything. From the same projects area, you may also see an option to create a new project, which is handy when you're ready to kick off something new later on. That's it. Log in with Google, open projects, and select the project you need. With these steps, you'll move through Asana confidently and get to the details that matter fast. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.